I'm Jordan Elwell with Nycorp. I'm here today to show you the Mavic 4 Pro. Guys, let's get into it. So first off, as you may be aware, the whole front of this bad boy is a gimbal. This gimbal can rotate 360 degrees and almost give you, I believe it's a 270 degree field of view. Now it has protection all the way around it. It has sensors and it has multiple orientation lights that help you fly, and it also comes with a drop-down spotlight or searchlight in case you are in need. It is neat. It does state that it comes in at 83 decibels, and it literally states that right here. It's a pretty tight package. The battery, you're literally going to push on both sides, slide it out. I've flown with this for about 30 minutes or so, actually maybe like 40, and it's cool to the touch. There's no built-in interior cooling, but it doesn't seem to overheat. So it's probably not a super high gain, high loss battery. Clips in, stable, feels like a Magpul almost. I've never folded this in, I was handed it, but I'm gonna try. So we'll just do collapsing of the wings, and then it looks like we swing down first, and then we swing forward. So this comes with multiple remotes, and this is a nice common remote to buy. You can also buy the RC++, you can buy the one down from this. You can probably even fly this on your phone. I haven't done enough research to be able to tell you what the limitations are, other than I have been on the sticks for about 40 minutes. I have a blast. I think anyone who's a cinematographer or someone who's into drone culture that wants to catch those great video footage moments, I think this is a great quality drone for you. I also personally think for the money at $3,000, it has an amazing build quality. When you open the wings, as you can see, it pre-starts up for you, so then all you need to do to sync and bind this is literally press this button and go. So you can see the directional tracking on this right now. So I will tell you the sensors are pretty touchy. They do that for multiple reasons, and I think that's smart coming from the factory that way. If you want to do some adjustments, that's up to you and however you feel the best it is to fly for your platform. I will tell you from the outside, it has enough venting that the thermal channeling is going directly through kind of behind the gimbal area. Let's see if you guys can see this, but behind the gimbal area, and then it's pulling through the sides of this chassis, and then it's coming out the back end here. So the board has to be orientated this way, and then the thermal fan pulling and wicking all the heat is right back here. Overall, I would say design is on point, remote is on point, batteries for the size and longevity, you're gonna get 50 minutes of flight time on this guy. I think that's absolutely phenomenal. So with that being said, sign off.